Hi guys, there are lots of fake products that circling the markets today, and Luxets and Lux are no exemptions. Like this Cisa Euro cylinder and this Medeco Padlocks. But there are signs which will help us in knowing the original from the fake products. And on this part, this is the original products, and on this side, this is the fake products. What we can notice on the original is that on this Cisa Euro cylinder, the color of the brass is dull, and the ring clip is mostly is uh, a little bit thicker. It's like 1 mm thick. That means it is an original uh, Cisa from Italy. On the fake side, as you can notice, the plating of the brass is very glossy, very shiny, and also one we can notice if you are familiar with Cisa is that the ring clip is very thin. Mostly, as I measured it, it's 0.8 millimeter, and sometimes it is much thinner. Okay, so the only thing we can mostly notice is that the plating on the fake Cisa, which is very glossy. On the medical side, Padlocks, we can uh, determine the original Padlocks by this is a big padlock for Medeco. We can determine it by the uh, this is the inserts or the pin, which is this is a long inserts, and it has a total of 17 inserts. It's 8 inserts here and 9 inserts here. It doesn't matter if this is 9 here or 8 here, as long as there are 17 inserts altogether in one padlock like this. So this is the original padlock. However, on the fake padlock, as you can see, the again the plating is very silver, glossy silver, very shiny, and the most significant things you can notice is there is no insert on this medical padlocks. This is the fake padlocks, so be aware of that. Whenever you want to buy this kind of padlock, I didn't see any inserts, that is a fake padlock. Okay, so better not fall prey to those unscrupulous manufacturer which manufacture this fake padlocks and Euro cylinder. Okay folks, so thanks for watching, and I hope I help you in some way on some signs of a fake and this Cisa Euro cylinder. Thanks for watching and good day.